Hey, what's going on, guys? Sean Mathis here, CEO and founder of SureFire Digital Media and the Insurance Lead Genie. I wanted to give you guys a quick presentation and a rundown of exactly what it is that we do and what really separates our marketing strategies from everybody else. So let's just jump right into it here. All right, so before we hop into actually showing you the system and how things work and what things look like, I want to talk to you guys about the 80-20 rule. This is really the driving factor behind everything that we do here at the Insurance Lead Genie and SureFire Digital Media. The 80-20 is very real and it's costing you a ton of money. Most agents teams are wasting 80% of their day chasing leads around, cold calling prospects that aren't even interested, hoping to find a couple of quote opportunities, while only about 20% of their day is ever spent selling. Our marketing system is designed to eliminate that 80% of the wasted time that your team is spending every single day to find sales opportunities. We automate all of the prospecting to find prospects that are actually interested in getting a quote for you. We target your ideal customer and set up all of the marketing campaigns to generate exclusive leads, sales opportunities, quote requests, appointments, and live call-ins to your office. And we deliver it all in real time. We are not a data broker that just recycles data like a Quote Wizard or EverQuote or any of those traditional lead companies that you're probably used to. Most of those guys are using what's called search-based strategies. What they do is they're targeting keywords and search behaviors online. So they're looking for people who are searching for, compare auto insurance in Dallas, Texas, right? If you just Google that, put in compare auto insurance, your city and state, and you'll find all of your traditional lead providers. That's in a nutshell what they're doing to generate leads. On top of that, they're recycling data. They're sending quotes that aren't even done in real time. People may have asked a week or a month ago, and that simply isn't going to work for you. What we do is use a disruptive marketing strategy that triggers sales opportunities of your ideal client based on key triggers such as demographics and life events. We want to find people that are interested in insurance for reasons other than price. By the time they go searching for insurance, they've already made up their decision. They've already done their research. They've already got in mind what it is they're looking for, and you don't have an opportunity to sell value. So we want to trigger shopping events that are seated in value, not seated in price. So here's some examples of actual campaign results. So the top one here is a Facebook campaign that we run for a client. These are all very recent, within the last 30 days. Here you can see the number of leads that were generated, how many people were reached, the total impressions, the number of link clicks. What's interesting about the way that most companies do things is you have no idea what's actually happening on the marketing side. We have a 100% transparency policy. You're going to see every marketing campaign, every ad that we run, every email that gets sent. You have 100% access to see exactly what's going on behind the scenes. You're going to have a dedicated marketing specialist to work with your account, and we're going to meet with you every single week to show you exactly what's going on, what the campaigns are doing, what the cost is, and what our performance results are. You're then going to share your sales results with us. Listen, guys, sales and marketing have to be able to communicate, and we pride ourselves in that open communication line between sales and marketing in order to fine-tune the campaigns. Listen, if we're running one of these campaigns, you might have gotten 12 leads, but listen, if they weren't the right 12 leads, then we don't want to continue running those, right? So that's what we do, is focus on getting the exact type of lead at the price that you're looking for to maximize your marketing budget. Here's our actual automation sequence. We've got our own platform. So there's many platforms that you can market on. There's Facebook, there's Google, there's LinkedIn, there's video marketing, there's AirPush, there's we've got our own proprietary platform that we run marketing campaigns for as well. Here's what I like to see. If you look at these results, 6,700 people saw the campaigns that we ran, these 4 different ad campaigns, and we got 40 people to request a quote. An average cost of lead of $7.77. These are in real time, truly exclusive, targeted leads directly to the customer. Not bad. We also had 1,000 people that fit this customer's ideal client base that we put into our system. We got 13,000 impressions. We were able to generate 49 quote requests at a cost per lead of $5.48. So we outperformed even the Facebook campaigns with our automation platform and our marketing platform. But here's what's really interesting. It took 6,700 people to see these campaigns to get 40 leads. We were able to generate 49 leads with just 1,000 contacts. There's 953 here because some people unsubscribed and they bounced out, whatever. But This is a 10 times higher conversion with our platform than even the best of platforms with Facebook. That's insane, guys. Here's an actual automation map in sequence. We build all of this custom for you and your team. You don't have to learn how to do all of this. All of this is done on the back end for you. I'm just showing you exactly what happens. So we actually kick off marketing automation sequences that are targeting, we can do commercial, we can do employee benefits, we can do PNC, we can do life, or we can do a combination of all of those things. But we put your ideal customer into our marketing sequence, and we're going to identify every sales opportunity, every quote request, every appointment, and we're going to deliver those to your team in real time. And we can also do round robining. We have a sales pipeline, so you have a central place that all of your leads go to. You can see a different sales status for each of them. You're going to see your sales opportunities. You're going to see your quote requested, your follow-ups. All of this is created for you. You don't have to enter any of this data. It's all already done for you. You're notified in real time of exactly who it is, what they've done, what they're interested in, all of their contact information. This happens to be a commercial person that we looked at, that we took a screenshot of. They got 20 leads in the first week, 20 commercial leads without ever picking up the phone. These are some examples of the landing pages and the websites that we build. These can be custom to your agency if you're an independent agent, and you can have your own custom branding to build your brand as well. If you are a captive agent and compliance prohibits you from having these, we still build custom websites and landing pages. They're just non-branded, so that way it's not going out on behalf of your name or your company. It's all generic branded. But these are all built for each and every client so that you can see exactly what's going on, and we can create this entire ecosystem that's self-contained so that you can see every click, every email open, and you're notified of every sales opportunity along the way to the buying process. Here's another example of some campaigns that we ran. Cost per lead was right at about $10 on average for exclusive targeted real-time PNC leads. Took 8,000 to get 21 leads. 8,000 people saw the ads, 21 leads. It's great conversion. The difference between like this campaign and this one is we don't know who the 8,000 people are that saw it. We only know the people who fill out the form. What's great about our automation platform is we know exactly who the people are. We know every single person that's clicked. We know exactly who's opened emails. We know who's went to the websites, and we were able to generate 28. So this was another 10 times higher conversion rate. We got 28 leads out of this 1,000 people versus 21 leads out of Facebook's 8,000 people. So we can get more into on a call how we do this and exactly how this works. But here's an example of a client who closed $46,707 in new business in 14 days with our system. We had 25 leads in our 2,500 leads that we were able to target for this individual, put into our automation sequence, start marketing to them, and we're able to generate 110 sales opportunities that month. In the first 14 days, $46,000 of premium was sold. No purchase leads, no cold calling, no wasted time, all done on autopilot. This is a powerful turnkey lead generation system. We have a multifaceted approach. We have marketing automation systems, automated prospecting software, automated follow-up technology, real-time lead delivery, custom designed sales pipelines, or we can integrate with your CRM. If you're with Allstate, we actually have an agreement to integrate directly with the Allstate Lead Manager. We're approved to do that as well. You guys can either bring your own leads. That's also another fantastic part of what we do. Let's say you've got a database of 5,000 that you guys are manually following up with and cold calling, and your team's wasting time calling these people, trying to get some sales opportunities. You can give that data to us. We'll put it into the system. You're going to have access to it. It's your data. It's your system. When you're done with us, if you decide to move on, you just export your leads. We're not keeping them. We're not selling them. But we can market to that. We can keep that list, and we can turn on our marketing system, and we can generate the sales opportunities, appointments, and the quote requests out of your own data as well. So you can bring that to the table in addition to having us generate new leads for you. Our system puts all of your prospecting, the business development, the sales, the follow-up, all of it on autopilot so that you guys are focused and spending 80% of your time quoting, binding, and selling, and only 20% of your time in prospects or follow-ups. Our system is proven to be the most cost-efficient and cost-effective way to grow your business. Listen, there's no contracts, there's no minimum term commitments. Our system is set up to prospect all of your leads, whether they're whether you provide them, being X dates, old internet leads, if you have your own lead list, win backs, any of that. Plus, you give us your targeting parameters and we will generate new leads for you. We can run Facebook campaigns, Google campaigns. We can use our platform. There's a wide range of strategies that we can use, but this is the only marketing automation software that's specifically designed for insurance agents to drive commercial premium, P&C premium, life premium, and employee benefits. We just set up an employee benefits campaign for an agent out in Florida targeting dentists, and it has been an amazing way to grow that side of their agency as well. But we not only manage all the marketing, we generate the leads, we share weekly results with your team. You'll have a dedicated account manager. We will fine tune everything that's happening based on the sales results that you're getting. So this isn't something like, you know, here's $1,000, Sean, give me 50 leads. What we're doing is maximizing your marketing budget. We're automating your sales. We're automating your follow-up process. We're taking the randomness out of your follow-up and putting only interested prospects and only people who actually want quotes in front of your team so that you're no longer wasting time. Listen, you'll never grow your business depending on referrals and cross sells. You'll never grow commercial premium at any reasonable rate by door knocking or sending mailers. Guys, there's just so much that is at your fingertips. You just have to have a team like ourselves with an insurance background who understands what's going on to build and manage all of this for you so that you guys can focus on sales. Listen, give us a call at 469-300-5225 to schedule a demo. I'll show you exactly how we can do this. Again, there's no contracts, there's no minimum term commitments. We can work with budgets as low as $500, and we've got clients spending over $5,000 a month. Go to our website, insuranceleadgenie.com, or you can also check out SureFireDigitalMedia.com, or give us a call at 469-300-5225 and schedule a personalized demo. Look forward to talking with you.